Hello mga mamshies! I'm here, Leslie Saunders. Excited po ako sa yun niya. I-share ko po sa inyo lahat ang natanggap kong Hello Baby Box from Babylist Registry. Natin. Tadaan! So, what's inside, guys? Pakita ko sa inyo lahat. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Tada! Alright. Wow! I get the mom. Yep. Ayan. Oh, it's like easy start anti-colic start pacifier. See what's that? Oh, so cute. Uy, meron siyang pacifier. That's so cute. Ay, cute naman dito. Saya-saya ko naman. Next is Hello Baby. Ayan. This one. Oh guys, meron din siyang pacifier. So, meron siyang storage for milk. So, pwede mo siyang i-frozen. Galing. Oh, my Huggies. Huggies. Newborn Huggies. Cool. How about this? Oven. Philips anti-colic. Paper. Cute. Buksan natin. Next, meron siyang spoon. Excited daw ako. Ang saya-saya ko guys na nakita ka siya. Oh, my pampers. Pampers. Cute. Mamigay pa silang isang newborn. Tadaan! Newborn. Diaper, bamboo diapers. This is 20% offer inside. Free money to spend on your first order. This is nice. Bamboo diapers. It's plant-based, guys, and responsible. Oh, organic. Oh, get from Chico. Actively supports baby's breathing. Tadaan! So cute naman nito. Saya-saya ko naman. Avino wash and shampoo. Yan, mayroon pa sa Noodle and Boo. CI samples po siya na newborn 2-in-1 hair and body wash. Excited ako guys because I'm a first mom. I am 34 weeks pregnant. So I am almost there. Now it's kicking. Again, we have the towel. What is this? Oh, take $5 off with the code. And this is Habitat All Over Ointment. Yan. Anna's plant-based wipes. Oh. Ano man naiwan dito? Pampers perfume-free wipes. Cool. Oopsie. Nahulog. Lancino. Oh, it's organic nipple balm. I need this. Oo. Yan talaga ang hinahanap ko sa store. Kung ano ang mas magandang gamitin para sa laundry ni baby. So, I found the draft. Yeah, I'm planning to buy more of this. Mabinigyan nila ako ng sample. Tsaka, meron silang coconut bomb. Guys, ito pa. Oh my gosh. Ang daming gift cards. Hindi ko mauubos to. So, isa una po ipapakita. What? Please enjoy these 9 gift cards on us. Gift cards for Canopy Couture. Yan. This one. Yan. Daming na. And these are the equivalent na $50, $40, $30, $25, $35, and $50. Meron din siyang gift card for Little Wanderers. Para siya. Shoes. Gift card for www.ordercovers.com if you kung gusto mong magpa-breast milk ng baby and you have something to cover. And 7baby.com para sa swaddle, nursing pillow, custom snappies, gift card to. Ayan. So, meron siyang towels and pacifiers na pwede mo siya i-customize and you can you can put the name of your baby and leggings for the baby. This is so cute! Ay, salamat! Galing! So, excited ako. Maka-shopping. Ayan. Next are this Ravino Pampers for $1.50 off. Meron siyang $2 off for Avent. Oh gosh. These are a lot. Babies need lots of love and few things too. You'll find the registry at the baby list. Isa siyang mga gift card po sa Shutterfly. Shutterfly, $25 each print. Meron siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Ang dami. Siguro 50 pieces to. Because I am a freelance photographer din po. And then, I plan to take my newborn baby photos. And I'm thinking to just print it from Shutterfly free and has $25 each code. My God, ang dami. At meron pa siyang what else? God. Dalawa pa lang binigay nila sa akin. No, nakakatuwa naman. Ayan. There's more. Dami. Guys. Capture your milestone from the baby. Ayan. Kita niyo po. And this is gift cards. Print photos. Exergent temporal artery thermometer. A gift card if you want to use it. Oh, this is so cute. From Shutterfly. You enjoy 10 free birth announcements. And here's the code. So cute. You know what? Oh, may nagtanga pa ako ng Yumi. But I am planning to make my own, mixture of food for my baby. Like, for example, mashed carrots, mashed celeries, and then combine each other. Put some, like, soup on it. But I will use this too. $35 gift card from Yumi. Okay, this has 10% free from Burst Beast Babies. Jessie Penny Portraits. I have free 8x10 standard print. guys. Dami ko natanggap. And pretty much it. So, ang dami lang natanggap kong gift cards ngayon. Parang, ito pa lang guys yung pictures. I love collecting pictures. So, I will probably use this. My baby is here already. So, yan po. So, this is my first time to use the baby registry. Because, my cousin told me, like, try to download the apps where you can put all the essentials for the baby. And then, pwede mo siyang mabibili from different stores like Walmart, Amazon, Bye Bye Baby, and pwede mo din siyang makuha from Target. So, natutuwa ako kasi pwede ko siyang mapili doon and you can choose the prices. Of course, you wanna choose the cheaper ones. No, so, syempre, kasi sa mga kaibigan mo na nagtatrabaho lang, and they are sending, I had like 17 essentials for my baby that must have po. So, lahat po yun binigay sa akin. So, I'm so really grateful. So, yun. First time ko din nakatanggap ng, hi, may Hello Baby Box pa pala. Freebies from Babylist. And they are asking me if meron ba akong baby shower. Wala akong baby shower kasi I know it's pandemic. And it's hard to gather all friends, relatives in one occasion. You know what? Kasi alam mo naman ngayon kasagsagan ng COVID. At saka mabuti ng hindi na lang tayo so virtual baby shower. So, yun, dami ko natanggap. Cribs, strollers, glider, bottles from Avon. Parang lahat ng kailangan ng baby dito na sa akin. Pati na yung mga diapers and organic baby shampoos and wipes. Lahat guys. So, masaya po ako dahil ang dami pong nagbibigay kahit naghihirap po tayo. I mean, siguro dahil marami akong kaibigan na mga babae. Tsaka hindi maano. So, yan lang po. So, gusto niyo pong mag-try sa mga new moms there. Gusto niyo pong i-try ang Babylist registry, baby registry. It's an app and it's downloadable. Just try to download it and then play with it inside. Pwede mo siyang search mo lang lahat ang needs mo para kay baby. At siguraduhin niyo po na magagamit talaga ni baby. Kasi minsan lalo na but I didn't buy the clothes. Lahat yung ibang mga kaibigan ko from Maryland, from New York, from Canada, they're sending stuff for the babies. And some of those are the from 1 to 9 months old clothes, hindi newborn. Kasi minsan pag newborn, hindi mo alam kung gaano kalaki yung baby pag lumabas, di ba? So, konti lang yung newborn ko, pero usually like 3 months to 1 year old clothes. Meron ako. Yung dahil sa mga kaibigan ko. So, ayan. So, thank you for watching. I'm the newbie in the YouTube channel. Please watch and subscribe po. And I will definitely do the same way. Goodbye, Momshies, and have a great day.